the center there like that. Let's close it up. Let's see here. Expand. Okay, that's a little bit better like that. Okay, I like that a little bit better. I closed it up more on the back. Otherwise, it's just too open. There's something about it that just, and this looks a little bit better. Okay, let me, now I'm just highlighting a little bit. Doing a little bit of highlights right around here. That's just to make it stand out a little bit more. Let's see. What is, we've got to do this. We got to do this. Okay, today is 7/11. It's 7/11. 225. Okay, 7/11. Let's do this. We're going to add 7. We're going to do it right here. 7/11 2 0 2 5. Now 7-Eleven, if you guys remember, is a convenience store. I think they're still open. I have not seen a 7-Eleven in a long time, but they used to be the stores that were open from 7 until 11, and then they closed because that was their hours, was 7-Eleven. Well, now they're more like 24/7. We've yet to have a store named 24/7 that I know of. Now maybe they're on a smaller scale someplace else. I don't know if any of you have ever seen a 7-Eleven someplace else. Or not 7-Eleven, a 24/7. A store named 24/7. That would be kind of interesting to know if you have some local brands that are called 24/7. Now, even some of the stores, though, the convenience stores, I don't think they might be open late, but they're not open 24/7, a lot of them. Some of them are, but not all of them. You know, they're just in places where it's not necessary for them to be open. But you know, on the chance that they do close, there's always going to be that one person who complains and says, I needed gas and you were not open, so I'm unhappy. I'm an unhappy camper because I couldn't get my gas, even though I had enough gas to drive 10 miles away and get gas there, because my 10 miles away is almost close to where I work at. I wanted to get gas in my small town and support my small town so we could have more business in my small town. But you weren't open. So how am I supposed to support my small business in my town when you're closed at 3 o'clock in the morning and I need gas?